Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 Everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Vivo V20. So finally we got another update on Vivo V20 which is ending with the version number 1.70.61 which is having approximately 311 MB or I would say 310 MB. So already installed version is of 1.70.51. Let me try to clear it out. So by this way, and if we will be going by changelog, so they have mentioned that they have done some sort of optimization towards the Android security patch. So most probably we might be getting May 2021 security patch level, optimized system operating system performance, the same thing, optimized compatibility between system and third-party apps, fix the issue related to flashlight. So when we were pressed, like whenever we have logged our phone and when we try to use it using volume button, that flashlight was not turning it on. So they might have already fixed it. We'll surely be discussing that once we install this particular update. Network stability, then multimedia related issue and so on. So before I tap on a download and install button, let me confirm you one thing. Like as per previous update, which was 1.70.51, a lot of users have confusion towards the wide one certification. Few have L1 and few have L3 at my side. So I had a word with one of our viewer Rajesh who had back and forth calls messages on Instagram, and he was showing that he is having L1 and at my side it was showing L3. So we'll surely be covering that part once we install this part to confirm whether they have changed it to L3 to L1 or not. So now we are good to go with the installation part. So before that, let me confirm you one more thing with respect to about phone section. So as you can see, the previous compile time was or compile date was April 10, 2021 with the security patch level of April 1, 2021, and I am most probably will be getting May 1, 2021 in this particular update. So before, like without wasting any more time, let's tap on download button and install it. And I'll we'll come back once this particular whole installation process will be completed and we'll verify a few other things. So stay tuned till then. So finally, the update has been installed successfully and we have booted into our login screen and afterward to the home screen. Now first thing we'll go to the settings section and we'll move to the about phone section, and where we'll be confirming few things. Like firstly, the compile time is May 25, which is just 6 to 7 days back. And we got the security patch level of May 1, 2021, which is satisfactory one. And aside to that, build number is same. So overall, with respect to software thing, it is nice. Now let's verify with respect to Wide One certification. So it's really disgusting that even after updating to the very latest one at my side, it is again showing me the L3 security level, which should I was anticipating that they should revert back to L1 and I will be able to stream HD content. So it's really poor thing, or I would say shameful thing from the Vivo side. So again, whosoever will be installing this update, please confirm the same in the comment section below, whatsoever they are getting in terms of Wide One certification, be it L1 or L3. So this was all from my side related to the availability of the latest update for the Vivo V20 with the version ending 1.70.61. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.
Let's synchronize.